What's up, KKs Plus God? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing if a Pomeranian is right for your family. Let's get started. So let's talk about history. The Pomeranian is a breed of dog of the Spitz type, technically, that is named for the Pomeranian origin in the northwest Poland and northeast Germany and Central Europe. Classed as a toy dog breed because of its small size, the Pomeranian descended from a larger Spitz type dogs, specifically German Spitz, because it originated from Germany. It is not hypoallergenic, and it's supposed to live for 12 to 16 years. The mass of it is 4.2 to 7.7 pounds as an adult, and the height is 8 inches as an adult. Its temperament as a puppy and an adult is playful, extroverted, intelligent, friendly, sociable, and active. The origin is Germany and Poland, and there are a ton of colors: white, black, blue, red, gray shaded, cream, tan, orange, and brown. There are even some mixed colors. So you make sure to find a good breeder if you want one. And if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like, because that would help me out a lot. Let's move on to a bit more history. Believe it or not, Poms actually used to pull sleds and herd animals. That's because they were once a lot bigger. Originally, the dogs weighed an average of 30 pounds and were all white, until the 19th century, when they were bred down to become companion animals like we see them today. The Pomeranian is considered to be descended from the German Spitz. As we covered earlier, the breed is thought to have acquired its name by association with the area known as Pomerania, which is located in northern Poland and Germany along the Baltic Sea. The Pomeranian, also known as the Zorg Spitz in many countries, is smallest of all the Spitz breed canines. Before 1888, these dogs were an obscure breed it was that year that Queen Victoria discovered Pomeranians for the first time and instantaneously fell in love with the breed. That's why we know them today. There are 10 most common Pomeranian health issues, so if you don't want to deal with these, this might not be the ideal pet for you. Patella Luxation. This health concern is common in many toy dog breeds, such as Shih Tzu, Chihuahua, Pugs, and Pomeranian. Trainability. Because Pomeranians are highly intelligent, they are generally easy to train. He also intend to be good show dogs because they are well behaved and eager to perform the actions their owners want them to. Pomeranians typically tackle tasks such as learning new tricks with enthusiasm. With time and dedication, your Pomeranian can become an obedient, lovable member of your family. Training a Pomeranian is like training any other dog, however. Due to their small size, many people like to train them to use the bathroom outside on a pee pad or litter box, as well as outside. They like to train them to go to the restroom inside. Pomeranians generally like to be held so long as they are being held safely and appropriately. The correct way to hold a Pom is to wrap your hands around their legs and support them by holding their body close to yours. At what age is a Pomeranian full grown? Pomeranians are fully grown by age 1. Most of their growth will be completed by the 6 or 11 months mark, but some Poms may continue to fill out until their first birthday. Pomeranians love their humans with all their hearts. One of the things about the friendly Pomeranian temperament that makes them such popular dogs is that they are very affectionate and loyal, and they want to be with you all the time. This can both be a good and a bad thing. One of the best ways to minimize Pomeranian shedding, because Pomeranians actually shed quite a bit during shedding season, which usually lasts about 5 months. One of the best ways to minimize Pomeranian shedding is to brush their coats. Not all owners enjoy this tedious task, but it helps a lot, especially for dogs that have double coats. Dummies recommends that you brush your Pomeranian at least every day. Of course, not all owners may have the time or patience for this. Most Pomeranians routinely require the following: Wipe the eye area, which is daily. At-home dental cleanings / care, which is also daily. Brush the coat every 2 to 3 days, daily during heavy sheds. Apply paw wax every 7 days. Apply nose balm as needed. Bath every 3 weeks. Ears every 6 weeks if palm is prone to ear issues. Nail trimming every 6 weeks. Make sure your house is ready for a Pomeranian when you get them. The 5 different types of Pomeranian breeds are Standard Pomeranian, Fox-faced Pomeranian, Teddy Bear Pomeranian, Baby Doll Pomeranian, and Pomeranian mixes. There are a lot of common Pomeranian health problems as well, as I have talked about earlier. If you're planning on getting a Pomeranian, this is a great video to watch. So make sure to smash that like button if this helped. Taking care of a dog will give your daily life more energy and excitement and give you a feeling of accomplishment. It is also essential to keep in mind that getting a dog means additional responsibilities, as you will be taking care of a living being. Before adopting a new dog, it is advised to research the breed, such as their lifestyle, how to train them, their diet, and other essential factors. It is also vital that you know the common health issues that may affect your dog while growing up. If you're looking for a small, fluffy fur baby that is smart, obedient, and active, then a Pomeranian is perfect for you. I will be discussing the Pomeranian health issues and the treatment for these. More importantly, prevention is better than cure, so we will be tackling what we can do to avoid these issues. Here are the top 10 most common Pomeranian health issues. Number 1, Patella Luxation. This health concern is mainly common in many toy breeds such as the Shih Tzu, Chihuahua, Pugs, and Pomeranian. The main culprit for this Patella Luxation, also known as slipping kneecaps, is genetic and how the bones are structured. Found within the tension thigh muscles are the patella or kneecaps. This tendon is a tough elastic band of tissue joining the bony attachment and the muscle. If your palm has patella luxation, the patella will be loose and will move back and forth underneath the tendons. The kneecap or patella is a small bone in the knee area, hiding beneath the thigh muscles tendon. If your Pomeranian has patella luxation, the kneecaps get dislocated and start to slip out in and out of this tendon. He will limp on the affected leg and occasionally stretch it in an attempt to reassign the kneecap to its place. It is advised to have your fur baby's patella checked yearly to see if it is sliding in and out of the tendon, as it can progress worse as years pass by. If your fur baby is diagnosed with patella luxation, the only option as treatment is knee surgery. How to prevent patella luxation? To prevent this health risk, you have to be keen when it comes to diet and exercise by properly feeding your palm with a well-balanced diet. They will have less risk of having calcium deficiency, which affects their bone strength. Pomeranians should have patellas evaluated yearly, as grading can become progressively worse with age. By providing regular exercise, their limbs and joints will strengthen. However, her jumping exercises can be harsh to their small limbs, so mild running will do. There are also oral joint supplements for dogs available in pet stores. Ask guidance from your veterinarian first before trying out these supplements. That is just one of 10 common Pomeranian health problems. I will leave a link in the description of an article you can read about this. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment if you have more questions, and I will get back to you in another video. Bye!